And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:41 this morning, and we're going to get real lucky with Halloween because it's not going to be a pleasant Halloween afternoon, evening, and night for many folks, but it will be for the most part here in the valley. It's all due to a cold front, and what's concerning is it's a slow-moving cold front. Now, it's concerning for some, but it's a good thing for us because that's going to keep our trick-or-treating in good shape. So I'm going to highlight for you all the issues we're going to have in other places and how it's not going to be having any problems here in the valley. Notice anywhere in the shade of yellow or green is where flash flooding is possible. Now, not everybody in this area is going to see flash flooding, but the potential is there. This is where heavy rain is expected to fall. Heavy rain in the valley, it's going to be tough to do. We're not going to see flash flooding. If there is going to be heavy rain, it'll be near the coast and it'll last very briefly, maybe up to a ½ inch. But that's not going to cause flash flooding. There's also going to be severe weather up to our north, particularly in this area of orange between Houston and Louisiana. We're concerned about tornadoes in here, and anywhere in the shade of green or yellow, damaging wind and hail are possible. Once again, the cutoff is Corpus Christi, though. We're not concerned about any of that stuff here in the valley. In fact, it may be a little bit of a struggle to see some rain. Let's get to your hour-by-hour forecast. Now, I can't rule out a stray shower still right near the coast, pretty much from Brownsville and areas east, just for the early morning hours. And notice as we get into the afternoon, the rain is going to be all offshore. For the most part, it's going to be a partly cloudy day. At times, it may get mostly cloudy in spots. It's going to be windy for everyone. It's going to be very warm for everyone. It's going to be humid for everyone, but dry at 2 o'clock. Trick-or-treating time, 7 o'clock this evening. We're looking at partly cloudy skies. It's still going to be breezy, still going to be humid, but still going to be dry. Even at midnight, I think it's going to be dry. I think the clouds will start thickening up, but I don't anticipate any rain to enter the valley until after 3 a.m., so 4 or 5 in the morning. That's when we're looking at isolated showers and storms. The best chance will be in Cameron and Willacy County. It is possible to see some rain in the upper valley, but I don't think there's going to be as much around. Now, some of these showers I think will linger into the early morning hours. We may be dealing with some showers still around that morning commute, but not everyone's seeing rain. It'll be cloudy for everyone, but then that dry, cooler air comes in. And yes, high temperatures tomorrow afternoon are going to be in the mid-70s. And we're going to be around 90 degrees this afternoon. So it's going to be a little bit of a system shock because it's going to be feeling very summer-like today. Besides a few showers near the coast this morning, the rest of the day is looking dry with mainly partly cloudy skies. Highs, though, around 90 degrees, feeling more like 96 with the very high humidity that we're going to have. And wind gusts are going to be reaching around 30 miles per hour, so even a little bit windier still than yesterday. And it's going to remain breezy for trick-or-treating tonight. But again, compared to what other folks to our north are going to be dealing with, you really can't complain. We're going to start out in the mid-80s early this evening. If you'll be staying out till around 10 o'clock or so, by then it'll be in the upper 70s. It's going to be breezy, it's going to be humid, but you're not going to need the jacket. You're not going to need the umbrella. In fact, if anything, you might be sweating a little bit if you have one of those masks on, one of those really thick masks. I remember as a kid growing up in San Antonio sweating a lot on Halloween and not being cold on Halloween. This is going to be one of those nights where it's going to be a warm Halloween and not a chilly Halloween. Now, late tonight, it's going to turn mostly cloudy. After 3 a.m., a 30% chance of rain. Eventually, temperatures will drop to 68, but that's going to take quite some time because we have to wait for those winds to shift to the north-northwest. And remember that it will stay breezy through the evening and overnight hours. And it's still going to be breezy the first half of tomorrow. A cloudy start with a few showers, but sunny in the afternoon. We'll start in the upper 60s and only warm to the mid-70s. And then a chilly start Friday morning in the low 50s, but great in the afternoon, upper 70s, low humidity, sunny skies, great on Saturday. Then that humidity comes back. Scattered showers and storms return to the forecast for Sunday, and we'll stay a little bit warmer and more humid into next week.